Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then do subscribe my channel. And my name is Yashi Master and I post videos every week, so do like my videos and comment, and I will be giving gift on 100 subscribers. So tell everybody to subscribe my channel. And you have read the title, so you got little that what I'm going to do, but still I will tell you that I had posted a small video on the YouTube that I'm doing this. So drop down your questions and moreover all on social media accounts, and I got a bunch of questions for me, and today I will be answering there. So it will be like a Q&A session, such as answering my subscribers plus viewers question plus get to know me. So we will start with a question. Guys, just a second. So guys, first question is from another channel which shares my mom and dad passion, and I will be linking it in the description box, so check. And the questions from our next channel is like, hey, I have bunch of questions, but please answer. Sure. Have you ever done skincare, and if yes, then what are the products? So yes, I do skincare products, and I have got a little acne or pimples on my face. And basically, this happens to me, and I've consulted the doctor, but doctor told that it's not any thing like serious, so you can take the medicines or do skincare. Then I do follow the skincare. So my skincare is that I use the cleanser from Patanjali, because it's chemical free and this glow and uh, stop further breakouts of my acne and cures water on my face. Then I use the homemade toner, which is a lemon plus water. You should also try. And if you want a smooth skin with this stop outbreak of I mean acne, so you can do that. Take lemon and squeeze it in a tray and add aloe vera and make a cubes and rub it on your face, so then the acne will go out. So this is what my regular skincare is. Plus moreover, I use gopi chand stick on my face with water. It gives a natural glow and makes my skin feel fresh. So yeah, more questions are there. Which book you will recommend to a 13-year child? I will surely recommend Thea Stilton and Jeronimo Stilton book, because they are just too cute and frictionless book. And moreover, they are so adventurous and funny. So I will recommend this book to each and everybody. If you are an adult and watching this, then also I will recommend to you. Third question is, how many people do you invite in your birthday, and what are the plans for your birthday during these hard times? So basically, I um invite something like 25 to 30 people every year at least. And this time, during these hard times, I'm not allowing inviting anybody to come at my house. Only my family members are there, which I think already met in so many videos. So they are only coming, and I will be celebrating with them. Moreover, I am having fun in this year also, because my mom and dad have prepared me a lot uh, for this birthday, and birthday vlog will come soon, so watch that to know what they are doing on my birthday. Fourth, do you have a toy which you cuddle every day? Of course, I have a toy which I cuddle each and every day. It's a girl, and I have named her Honey. And I just know when I'm sad or I just cry while hugging her, and no problem. If I'm not sad, also, then when I'm happy, then I also cuddle her. And she's super cute. Like, the toy has been made from where I don't know, but it's super cute, and I love her. So a fifth question: who is your favorite YouTuber? My favorite YouTuber is mostly seen with Prajakta Kohli. Then second is Jam Fam. Third is Remora Vlogs. So basically, you go on the YouTube and search these three names, and I hope that you also like the videos of them and become as a fan of them. So sixth question is, what will be your reaction when you get 1 million subscribers? When I will get 1 million subscribers, I will just go crazy. I will be very happy and more crazy and start crying. The crying is of happy face. But if you want to see that reaction, do 1 million subscribers, guys. At least 200 subscribers, you will get the same reaction on 100, but in 1 million you will get more 3x times reaction of that same. Yeah. So we have got another questions also. It's from Hetal Gandhi. Hello, Andriti Gandhi. Oh, hello, Driti. It has been written, I have a question for you. Do you enjoy making videos? I love enjoy making videos. The reason behind it gives me pleasure to make videos and keeps me motivated with all your love to make more videos. And I also feel happy when I make videos, because the videos I'm making is I'm doing it for the first time on my channel, so I feel like excited also. And guys, your love through your likes, comments, subscribers only make me happy and motivated to make more videos. So do guys, if you want my more videos. So guys, coming back to our next question, which is from my mother. She has written, I'm waiting for your next video, cute princess. And yeah, it's because on 7th September it's your birthday, so waiting early about birthday vlog and your celebration. Tell us more about your birthday vlog. So guys, my mom has commented me, and as I told her, all my family members to comment if they want to, and she also have commented. So basically, mom and all my guys, if you are more questions are about birthday only, so I'm telling at once that you will get everything in the birthday vlog, but still I will give you a little clue that we will be celebrating my birthday so joyfully, and we are not calling any more people, but you will get to know more in my next vlog. So the next question is from Disha Pathak. My question is that about which is the app do you use for viewing editing? Yeah, editing. So I use two editing apps, which is UCut and the I think EDS Pro. So basically UCut is can go in Android, iOS, anywhere, and EDS Pro you can only edit in if you have a computer, and moreover if you are pro in that app and you are using from childhood, then only you can do, because moreover my dad do all his editing videos, vlogs, and all his party orders as he is the editor of the program, so he can do, but he tried to teach me a lot of many times and I failed. So I can't do still, and I do in the mobile only editing. I'm really, its next comment is from Mahira Motivala. She has written, I'm really excited for your birthday vlog and tell us more about it. So Mahira, basically you will get your answer in the next video, and moreover I've told in the starting only that how I'm going to celebrate. So next question is from Priya Ichapore. She has written, my question is that which phone do you own and how much maximum time do you pass on phone in a whole day? So basically I own a Samsung J7 phone, and I pass whole day on the phone, like during this hard times, all kids, students, and many people are just passing on the time as online classes, games, and many more. So I'm on the phone whole day. And next question is from Rahul Master, which is my dad. My both mom and dad have commented. Thank you, mom and dad, love you. So my dad has written, I also have a question for you, my doll. Do you love being a teenager or being a childhood girl? No, wait, it's the next question. Just a second, guys. I did sprint. So, yeah, my dad wrote, do you love your teenage or your childhood? Basically, dad and all my friends, I love childhood more because there are many memories which I want to recall again, and I want to see that, you know, uh, to go in the past and again see all that from my real eyes. So next question is from Mitali Badoliwala. She has written, what is so special for you that makes you smile from? So if I talk about, on YouTube, your love only keeps motivated me and makes you smile. But if I talk about, at home or anywhere, my mom and dad are enough for me, because whenever I'm sad, they do something and make me happy, and I love that thing for like, of them. And for more things, they just keep me smiling. As birthday vlog भी आएगा, तो birthday vlog में there is a surprise. Like, I told her that, I think you are going to do surprise, and my mom dad we have like, really, how do you get to know? I was like, I get to know. They were like, okay, let's see. And literally, uh let's see what it's on my birthday vlog. So now we have the, I think, last question on the YouTube video. Then moreover, I have questions on my next social media accounts. So they have, it's from Astha Gandhi. She's written, have you already decided it from first that you wanted to start a YouTube channel, and whom did you got inspiration to start YouTube? So basically, when I was in fifth, I was very happy to make videos. Still, I didn't have a YouTube channel. I was just acting like I have a YouTube channel, and but this Corona made me make a YouTube channel to bring smile on the people's faces during these hard times. And moreover, I love to make videos. So basically, I got inspiration from, again, mostly and Prajakta Kohli. She is a super girl. I love her. So yeah, YouTube questions ends here, and we have other social media questions such as. So first question we got is, it's from Kashvi Yoshi. Just, yeah. So she has written, do you have any pets? Actually, we had a pet, but we don't have a pet right now because we have kept that pet who was a dog. It was a boy. So at our aunt's place, who is a trainer of dogs, and right now we are not having any dogs due to Corona. Okay. So Kashi answer have been answered, and more questions are there. So the next question is key. What line will you choose after 10th? So I will basically choose science because my science is my favorite subject, and I want to become an air hostess and a doctor. Like, I've got two chances in my hands and I have to select one. See, in air hostess, I can take any of the board, but moreover, I will choose science. And for doctor, obviously, you have to choose science. So next question is from the dumbest injury you have ever got. So the dumbest injury you have ever got is, you can see this is the injury I got. I think 2 to 3 stitches. The thing was nothing. My tuition teacher told my mom, like all the moms of the students, he checked whether they are not doing cheating or using any calculator. So that day the sum was too big. This is the story of third standard, and I did the calculator. Mom was like, I told you not to do. And she took rolling pithvina and was acting like she's going to bait me with it. But I just got scared when, like, I was too small, so I obviously got scared and ran and just bumped into the wall and I got stitches. So the next question is that, um, what are 3 emojis you send to your friends? So basically, I send a thumbs up, then this blushing one emoji, and I think, third I will be using that angel one. And so guys, basically we have last question here, that if someone asks you or tells you that I want to become like you, then what would you tell? So I would like to tell that girl that don't be me. You be yourself, because you know why you want to change? Why you want to be me? Be yourself as you are. You are looking so pretty. You are so cute, and the people will love you as you are. So guys, our questions ends here, and this was it for the today's video. And moreover, it's my birthday right now. On my birthday I'm shooting this, so do comment down that how I am done all the questions, how I've answered them, and wish me happy birthday. And if you want part 2 for this, answering my viewers plus subscribers question, then do comment down. I will be doing part 2 also. And do subscribe, like, comment, and share with everybody. Love and peace from us to you.